Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to edit an image in the Adobe Photoshop Express application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are done with that and you are in the home page, you can just click on the image that you want to edit. And after that wait a little bit, and here you can just edit that image. There are a lot of editing options here. You can change basically the shade of the picture. You can see how it's going to look like, these different kind of effects. You can adjust it basically. You can see the options here as well. You can have split tone, you can have blur, you can have vignette, you can also heal it, you can crop it. You have a lot of options to edit the image basically, and once you are done with it you can just save the image. So you can just simply go back, for example, press on the arrow in the top of your left corner, and you can just press on save here. And after that the image is going to be saved to your gallery. So that's pretty much it really. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.